What's going on, baby birds? All right, here we go. We're going to start with some divisibility and prime factorization today to warm us up for what's to come later this week with factoring. So, how do I know if a number is divisible by these numbers? A number is divisible by 2 when it's an even number. Or even numbers, ends in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, right? Anything that ends in one of those digits is divisible by 2. Now, this rule for 3 is actually pretty nice. So you know that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. Which I know you're like, well, we're looking to see if it's a multiple of 3. But when you add up the digits, it's typically a much smaller number, one that you're probably more familiar with. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in a 5 or a 0. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. Has to be both of them for it to be divisible by 6. 9 is kind of like 3. The sum of the digits will be a multiple of 9. And then the last one, a number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. Cool. So let's try out some of these divisibility rules for these numbers here. 111. So if we roll through, 2, it's not even. 3, if the digits add up to a multiple of 3. If I add 1 plus 1 plus 1, it's 3. And that's divisible by 3, right? It's a multiple of 3. So we'll say, yep, 3 works. 5, it has to end in 5 or 0. It does not. 6, it has to be divisible by 2 and 3, which it wasn't divisible by 2. So that one's out. 9, if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, which it's not. We added them up to 3. And then 10 if it ends in 0. So only 3 for 111. Now we'll be able to go a little bit faster on these ones now. 131, it's not even. Let's see what we get when we add the digits. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So that's not a multiple of 3. Ends in a 5 or 0? Nope. Divisible by 2 and 3? Wasn't divisible by either one. The sum of its digits is a multiple of 9? No, 5's not a multiple of 9. And it ends in 0. None of them. All right, let's see if we can get one more done on this video. Otherwise, we'll just squeak them on to the next one. 288. All right, it's even, so 2 goes in there. For 3, let's add up the digits. 2 plus 8 is 10, plus 8 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Ends in a 5 or 0? No. For 6, it's divisible by 2 and 3. Yes, we have both of those, so 6 will also be a multiple. The sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. Yeah, 18 is 9 times 2. And then it does not end in a 0, so that would be it. All right, 300, it's even, so 2. The digits are a multiple of 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. So yeah, that's good. Ends in 5 or 0? Yes. For 6, divisible by 2 and 3? Yes. Digits are a multiple of 9? No. But ends in 0? Yes. We'll do the rest on the next one.